Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to Kal Mantra, Embrace Divine Grace, your sacred space for spiritual wisdom, divine mantras, and soulful transformations. Whether you're here seeking peace, enlightenment, or answers to life's deepest mysteries, we're so grateful you've joined us on this journey. Sit back, open your heart, and let the divine light guide you.
Did you know your home's hidden Vastu mistakes could be silently blocking the divine grace meant for you? From misplaced doors, disrupting wealth flow, to improper kitchen directions, affecting health, these architectural flaws create invisible barriers to blessings. But through the powerful combination of Vastu corrections and Kal Mantra's divine vibrations, you can transform your living space into a sacred receiver of cosmic abundance. Namaste all. Welcome to the sacred wisdom of Kal Mantra. Embrace divine grace. Let us guide you in unlocking prosperity, peace, and spiritual harmony by aligning your environment with universal energies. For years, Ramesh couldn't understand why his business kept failing. No matter how hard he worked, money seemed to slip through his fingers like sand. His health was deteriorating, too constant headaches, sleepless nights, and a gnawing sense of anxiety that never left him. Little did he know, the answers were hidden in the very walls of his home. When Ramesh finally consulted a Vastu expert, the revelations shocked him. His main entrance directly faced a broken wall, blocking all positive energy from entering. The master bedroom had beams crisscrossing over the bed, pressing down invisible stress on his subconscious. Worst of all, his toilet in the sacred northeast corner was draining away his wealth like an open faucet. But there's good news, the Vastu master smiled. These problems can be fixed without breaking walls. He introduced Ramesh to simple remedies to cut negative energy and a simple pyramid to redirect positive flow. Within months, Ramesh's life transformed. His business saw unexpected profits. The chronic headaches vanished. His family relationships improved dramatically. All it took was understanding these hidden Vastu mistakes that most homes make and applying the right corrections. Now imagine, what if your home has similar invisible energy blocks? That unexplained financial struggle, that persistent health issue, that family tension. Could it all be connected to your living space? The truth is, our environments shape our lives more than we realize. The ancient science of Vastu Shastra reveals how subtle energy flows through our homes. When this flow gets blocked or distorted by common architectural mistakes, it manifests as problems in our health, wealth, and happiness. But here's the empowering truth. You don't need expensive renovations to fix them. After helping thousands of clients, we've created the ultimate solution. A complete Vastu kit containing all the key remedies in one package. From wealth-activating yantras to energy-correcting pyramids, this kit gives you everything needed to transform your space's energy. Your home should be your sanctuary, not a source of problems. By understanding these crucial Vastu mistakes and applying the right solutions, you too can create a space that supports rather than drains you. The question is, are you ready to unlock your home's hidden potential? Comment, "I want positive energy" below if you're ready to transform your space. Look closely. That unexplained tension in your marriage, the sudden financial crashes, your child's falling grades, they're not bad luck. They're Vastu crimes silently happening in your home right now. Today, we expose 20 architectural traps sucking away your health, wealth, and happiness. The cursed threshold. When your main entrance faces a toilet or cemetery, Lakshmi doesn't just walk away, she runs. Every client meeting ends in rejection. Every deal smells like failure. Your home becomes a magnet for legal disputes and chronic fatigue. Northeast toilet abomination. That innocent-looking bathroom in your sacred northeast corner is liquefying your life savings. Kidney stones, water retention, a business that constantly bleeds money, no matter how hard you work. South-fired kitchen. Your south-facing stove isn't cooking food. It's incinerating your prosperity. Acid reflux becomes your daily bread. Family dinners turn into screaming matches. And that savings account? Always mysteriously empty. The beam of broken dreams. That decorative beam above your bed is pressing down 24/7 on your subconscious. migraines that no medicine cures, promotions that always go to someone else, a mind that can never truly rest. Mirror of broken vows. Your bedroom mirror doesn't just show your face. It fractures trust. Suspicion grows like mold. Sleep becomes a battleground of nightmares. And one day, you realize you're living with a stranger. The disgraced temple. A puja room near shoes or toilets. The gods don't leave, they turn their backs. Prayers hit the ceiling and fall flat. That inner peace you crave, always just out of reach. Staircase through the heart. Your beautiful central staircase is a dagger through your home's soul. Inherited property disputes. Sudden cardiac scares. A family that eats together but never truly connects. Northwest career wasteland. That storage dump in your northwest zone? It's where opportunities go to die. Job interviews that never call back. Business trips canceled last minute. A professional reputation that inexplicably sours. The backstabber's chair. Sitting with your back to the door? You're painting a target on yourself. Colleagues steal credit. Clients vanish after promises. That corner office? Always someone else's. Frozen time. Broken clocks and dead gadgets aren't just clutter. They're time prisons. Projects that never complete. Love that stays stuck in maybe. A life perpetually waiting for someday. The cactus betrayal. Those cute succulents? They're planting spikes in your relationships. Friendships ending over nothing. Family gatherings filled with backhanded compliments. A home where hugs feel hesitant. Bedroom screen plague. Your bedroom TV doesn't entertain. It emits insomnia waves. Midnight arguments over nothing. Mornings where you're more tired than when you slept. A marriage running on autopilot. AC overhead assassin. That cooling AC directly above you is freezing your life force. Stiff joints in your 30s. A immune system that fails on cue. Waking up more drained than when you slept. Buried water poison. An underground tank in the Northeast isn't storage. It's a cursed well. Unexplained fevers. Plumbing bills that never end. A sinking feeling you can't shake. Your passionate red bedroom is painting your emotions in fire. Children who can't focus. Sleep filled with violent dreams. A temper that snaps at the slightest trigger. Those ignored corners aren't just messy. They're poverty's breeding ground. Unexpected expenses. Opportunities that slip last minute. A lingering smell of decay no cleaner fixes. Your square dining table isn't serving food. It's serving indigestion. Meals eaten in silence. Weight that won't balance. A family that gathers but never bonds. That Northeast septic tank? Does not waste, it's your future decomposing. Food poisoning outbreaks. Skin rashes no doctor cures. A home that always smells slightly off. Your cool abstract art? It's opening doors to chaos. Unexplained noises at 3 a.m. A sense of being watched. Bad luck that follows like a shadow. That drawer of broken phones? Is a cemetery haunting you. Wi-Fi that never works. Important files that corrupt. A mind that can't hold focus. Now you see them, these 20 silent killers architects don't warn you about. The real horror? Most homes have at least 12 of these. And their owners never connect the dots. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back without demolition? Ancient solutions so precise they can neutralize these dangers in hours, not months. Every day you wait, these Vastu vampires suck you drier. How many more health scares? How many lost opportunities? The solution exists, but only if you choose to see. Are unexplained financial struggles, health issues, or family tensions haunting your daily life? The hidden culprit could be Vastu imbalances in your home silently blocking prosperity and peace. But what if you could flip the script? No demolition. No expensive renovations. Imagine waking up to a space that radiates positive energy, where wealth flows effortlessly, relationships thrive, and health blossoms. With Cal Mantras all in one Vastu kit, you hold the ancient solution to modern problems. This meticulously crafted kit combines sacred yantras, energy-correcting pyramids, and wealth-attracting talismans to neutralize negative vibrations without costly renovations. Thousands have witnessed miraculous shifts, career breakthroughs, healed relationships, and newfound abundance. Don't let your home sabotage your destiny another day. Click the link below to order your kit now and unlock the divine power of perfectly balanced Vastu. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, smash the like button, comment OM below, and subscribe for more life-changing Vastu secrets.